car only has about 12,000 miles, so it's better than me. It's a 2020 Nissan GTR R35, 50th anniversary. Got the carbon commands, commercial lights. We're going to do a full review on this car soon. Got the Audi S3 over here looking fresh. This is the wifey's car. She loves her daily as well. Sheesh, brother. Look at that baby. See, we got a Army Tricks 4-inch exhaust. Veltronic close. Key right here. Got the open and close right here. Just closed them. You can hear the difference for sure. Open. Look. Guys, that's what you see what I gotta deal with. Back to back moving cars. Not a bad problem to deal with though. What's up y'all? We in the GTR on the way to the shop right now. About to go work on the BRZ with the wifey here holding the camera. We're struggling to hold the camera. Anyways, we're on the freeway. It's a beautiful day out here in Albuquerque. So gotta pay attention to my driving out here. We got a Z behind us, trying to play around. We said he's using no bumper. Ain't got no turbo though. Got a little cheeky down there cruising in the R with us. He always cruises with us. He's a little cruising dog.
Definitely loves car ride.
So you guys, really excited to go work on the BRZ. Been waiting all week. Always try to go whenever I can. Life gets busy though, work and stuff. Yeah, this guy's all on my ass. Sheesh. He's like an older dude. But anyways, I'm very excited to go work on this car. I've been wanting to finish this for a while. Now that we got the hood in, we're gonna do some good work to it and get it put on, make sure it's all lined up straight. Once we do that, we're gonna start welding some pieces. I have my cousin, he's a welder. He'll come out and weld some shit for me. Then after that, off to the paint shop we go. Very excited. Are you excited?
Yes, very.
Yes.
Very excited.
Very excited. I'm just kidding. What's up guys, just landed in the shop, just pulled up, got the 22 BRZ right behind us, and look what else we got, a freaking Seibon Carbon Fiber hood. Shit just landed in the other day, what we all been waiting for. Now let's not waste any more time and unbox this baby. This thing's beautiful. I've never had a carbon fiber hood before, so this is very exciting to me. Look at that carbon. Jesus Christ, that is beautiful. Alright guys, so we're getting ready to install the Seibon Carbon Fiber Ts style of hood I got behind me. Thing just came in perfect condition, no problems, no nut chips, cracks, nothing. So a huge shout out to Seibon for that. So let's get ready to install this baby, shall we? Have it guys, the carbon fiber hood is officially on, and man is it beautiful. I've been waiting a long time for this. Oh sorry, showing you the STI. But yeah, I mean it's not bad, fits on perfectly like OEM. There's a little bit of a gap right here that I'm kind of concerned with, but I really don't think it's a big deal. But I mean I might have to try to adjust a few things with that. So right here, this gap right here is pretty good, really perfect as you can see. But lines up perfectly right here as well. But yeah, other than that, TS style hood, I think is really nice, clean. I think it's worth the money. Definitely worth better than painting it. I didn't want to paint this because, I mean, why get an OEM hood when I could get an aftermarket one? Alright guys, so basically what we gotta do is we gotta start taking this baby apart. Take off the hood, bumper, basically back to where we started. Because we got to get it welded. So once we do that, have my friend come over, my cousin, he's gonna come weld everything, get it all cleaned up, and then she's gonna be ready for paint. guys, pretty much got the important stuff out of the way. Got the bumper off, pretty much all the headlights, carbon fiber hood, back to where we started. It's pretty much ready for welding now. All we gotta do is just wait to get it welded. Right after that, straight to paint. She's gonna be ready. Yeah, this thing has came a long way since I got it. I've only had it for about a month now. So I mean, honestly, it looks really good. Very happy with the progress. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna wrap it up for tonight. I'm pretty tired. I'm ready to go home. We got a lot of progress done on the build so far. I'm very happy with how it's coming out. And if you guys think it's turning out good, just let me know in the comments below what you guys think. I want to hear you guys' thoughts. You know, I want to know if you guys have built one of these before. Let me know. Any BRZ guys, let me know what they think, and I want to see what's happening in the car community. So I want to hear everybody's thoughts. So let's just take the time and admire this beauty. Jesus. And look, all the parts all organized, everything looking sick. This is definitely a big thing for me, and I'm really happy to have recorded it now, and definitely want to keep it going. Thank you guys for your support. Hope you guys have a good night. Signing off. Peace.